It's finally here, the 125-inch Elite Screens projector screen. I'm finally feeling a little bit better, so videos are going to start coming. It's time to replace that old $30 Amazon screen. Now, I highly recommend doing what I did and look for a stud, whether you're wall mounting this or ceiling mounting this, because it's heavy and I don't trust this thing with the included screws or using those little in-wall plastic things. I forgot the name. But yeah, get a stud finder like I did and put these into a stud. You'll be much happier so it doesn't fall, especially for us in California where we have earthquakes and all. So I got a chain and I leveled it up. Everything's perfectly level. And the wire was not long enough and it doesn't remove, so I had to make my own little custom adapter. Also had to buy a new HDMI cable because the projector is going all the way in the back. Remove the old screen. That's the little black backing. So we're definitely not going to be winning any rewards regarding how clean my setup is, because it's not clean at all. But let's go ahead and put this thing down. See how it is. So I programmed the remote into my PDA, so let's see if this works. So for what I can see, the edges are not straight. They're a bit rolled up on both sides. But let's go ahead and see how the picture quality is compared to before. Oh yeah, that looks nice. So as you can see, the projector is kind of ghetto rigged on top of my table. It's hooked up through my laptop stand, so it looks pretty stupid in the back, but this is the only position I could find that was further back enough for me to get a full-on picture from the projector. So anything closer and it would not fill the screen. With that said, I'm pretty happy with the screen. It looks a bit better than before. Being able to go up and down is very nice. So I'm going to play with this and I'll see you guys in the next one.